Hey JT lovers, JT haters, and every lover of everything off-road. So today we're at Sand Hollow. It's November and I'm in shorts. So beautiful weather here. So the scenario goes that you've been to the top of the world, you've run some trails on the other side of Sand Mountain, and you're heading back, and you always want to do the chute, but you don't want to run the full trail to get to the end. And so I'm going to show you today a really fun yet challenging short little trail to get to kind of the backside of the chute. I don't know if this trail has an official name. There is another trail like it called Smurfette. However, I don't think this trail is called Smurfette, but I could be wrong. So my local folks out there, please correct me. So what we're going to do is we're right here at the fence line trail, fence line and Sand Dune Way. So this is the way that you would come back from top of the world. We are going to go to our right and follow that road up. And then I will show you when we get kind of to the trailhead, and I'll give you the GPS coordinates, but it's just right off this road. Real quick, real fun. So let's go. Okay, just a little update on how to get here. So we just followed that fence line trail on up for about a half a mile, so 0.5 of a mile. And then we took a left. So you can see the fence line is behind me. We took a left going this way. To my right out here, down there is where the Fallen Trail starts. So just to kind of give you an idea if you've been out here. So we're going left and we're just following this out, and let's go have some fun. I'm trying something new. I thought I'd show aerial footage of the obstacles or the more interesting parts of the journey that the vehicle's about to undertake. Let me know if this is beneficial or if I'm just waterboarding you with wasted material.
Okay, I have to admit the drone footage is pretty poor here, and I promise I'll get better. However, this, in my opinion, is where the fun really starts to begin on this trail. This obstacle here wants to push the passenger side of the vehicle into the wall there. So, kind of have to pick your line carefully. This is a fun little climb here. The long wheelbase really makes this climb easier. I could see if you're in a short wheelbase Jeep, you might have to bump it a little bit. This is the last little climb out towards the end of the trail here. I have to kind of take it, again with the Gladiator, take things at an angle because of the underbelly there. But this little section was no problem, just scraped a little bit. after that climb, it's just a straight shot to the chute.
A fun little alternate route to the chute. It was only about a mile long, and that was from the sign to the chute. We enjoyed it. If you want to try something different coming from that top of the world area, then give it a shot. So I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did, and hope to see you guys out on the trail. And hey, like I said, hit me up and we'll go wheeling when you come into town. So cheers.